We got to spend the day at Seabreeze Amusement Park here in Irondequoit, New York. We brought our two little cousins with us, so we had the perfect excuse to experience Seabreeze the way a lot of families do, as a full day of rides, games, and of course, food. And honestly, this is a little embarrassing to admit. We've lived here for the past 7 years, and this was our first time ever going inside the park. So, when we had the opportunity to spend the day here, we decided it was finally time to see what we'd been missing. Since we were invited by Seabreeze to come here, we got press passes or wristbands that allowed us to record on the rides. And getting to visit Seabreeze in this capacity made it extra special. So that's why you'll see my husband Shane with the GoPro on some of the rides. I didn't join them on every ride because I just don't do things that spin and I get motion sick way too easily. But I asked the boys to rate each ride they went on 1 through 10, and they gave me their honest answers.
A 5? A 7?
The ride that stole the day was this one, the Whirlwind. So they loved this ride so much, they went on it when we first arrived, and then we had to go on it again before we left.
What's the rating? 10. Wow.
There's actually a lot of history in this park. So, Seabreeze opened all the way back in 1879, originally as a waterfront picnic park at the end of the railroad line. So, that makes Seabreeze the fourth oldest amusement park in America. And over the years, it's grown from a picnic destination into the amusement park that you see today. So, with roller coasters, family rides, kiddie rides, games, live entertainment, and a full water park, which we did not go to, but we do intend to go back to try it out sometime.
You lose your belly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, what's the rating? Hold up the hands.
There you go.
If you want to hear some haunted stories about Seabreeze, there's some good ones that I've heard over the years while living here. And I've actually made several blog posts about them on datesinthestates.com. And I also made a haunted Irondequoit mystery city date book that you can purchase on our website, and I'll be sure to link it below. So each of our books takes you on a date in a different neighborhood, telling you what to do, where to go, where to eat, all in the exact order for the perfect date without having to plan. And our haunted one is one of our best sellers, so be sure to check it out.
A 9.
Go to Crystal.
All right. No, you're not ducking.
Yes.
No.
Why?
Because then I'll get soaked.
Yeah, that's good. Me and Mason.
Oh, there's fish down there.
Are they dead?
There's a whole bunch of goldfish.
In the water?
On the left, there was.
Are there koi?
Oh God, guys, we're tipping.
I don't see anything.
Do you see anything?
I don't see anything. Is it on the right side?
Right side.
There is.
Right? On the right?
Yeah, they hit a good spot.
On the right?
Here we go.
So everybody lean on the drop. I'm going down so maybe you guys get it.
Getting wet back here.
Oh.
I think we're back to the worst place.
Why are we rocking?
Why aren't we rocking more?
Don't duck!
I think it's helping.
Oh! That went right down my shirt.
It's on the back of my head. Are you getting wet? Yeah. It's working. She's getting wet.
Yeah, now for the best wet part. Everybody gonna put their hands up?
No, we're dunking.
No!
We gotta dunk so Crystal gets wet. Oh, get off me. Get off. I'm gonna jump into that pond. I'm ducking, by the way. We're ducking.
You're still gonna get wet. You're gonna miss the whole thing.
Yeah.
Hands up. Oh, maybe not.
Oh no.
Yeah, we're not gonna get wet. I ducked. Yo, I'm soaked. Right? To the right?
10 out of 10?
Yeah, that's a good one. I think I dodged some of it.
And your back is soaked.
I just
One thing we immediately noticed is that Seabreeze isn't one of those massive amusement parks where you need an entire weekend just to see everything. So it's much more manageable. The park has more than 60 attractions, including thrill rides, family rides, kiddie rides, and then, of course, the water park. So honestly, you can have a pretty full day here without feeling like you're spending half of your time just walking from one attraction to another.
Was it fun? All
An
right.
8? Alright.
Okay, and now for the Jackrabbit. So if you've never heard of it, this isn't just an old roller coaster. It was built in 1920, and Seabreeze says it's the oldest operating roller coaster in America. So think about that for a second. This roller coaster has been operating for more than a century, and I'll let you in on a little secret. It's got a really good ghost story.
Yes, boss. All right. How are we rating it? Is it a 10 out of 10? Yeah! 10 out of 10.
One of the biggest parts of Seabreeze's history is their carousel, which was built in the early 1900s. When we lived in Pennsylvania growing up as a kid, I visited Carousel Amusement Park often, and I remember they had some of the horses from the Seabreeze Carousel that survived a fire long ago, destroying the original carousel. So I thought it was pretty neat to see this in person finally after all of these years.
You look so thrilled.
I know, I'm so happy.
Thanks for spending the day at Seabreeze with us. If you like this video, please be sure to help us out by clicking the like and subscribe buttons. And if you're visiting the Rochester, New York area, this is definitely one local attraction you're going to want to put on your summer to-do
Here, I gotta get
list.
behind you. There we go.